Hi there, Heather at Hello Direct. Following, you will see a couple things that Jennifer and I did with the Samsung Flip. You're going to see a Teams meeting from both the perspective of the Teams meeting as well as the conference room. You're going to see how to set it up with the touch-out cable and the HDMI. And you're also going to see how to export without sharing your device if you're just writing on the Samsung Flip. If you have any questions, let us know and enjoy the videos. Have a great day.
Okay, so we have a USB upstream cable plugged into the touch out port on the Samsung Flip, and that's plugged in via USB-A to my laptop. I also have an HDMI connection from my laptop to the Flip. So now you're seeing my screen on the laptop. So I have joined a Teams meeting, and let me share my screen here on the Teams meeting. So now I can share my presentation that we're going to work on. So now the remote participants are able to see my presentation, and I can go in here and I can draw on my actual document. Can't spell my own name. I'm able to access any of the functionality that I would have if I was doing this PowerPoint from my computer. I can change the color that I'm writing with. Okay, so as you can see it on the presentation, and you can also see it on my laptop where it's written back to my laptop. So I'm able to save this file just as like an active document that we're working on.
And now I'm actually going to walk out to my desk. You'll be able to see this from the Teams meeting, where if I request control, I can actually access the document, and you'll be able to see it on the meeting.
Okay, so Heather's gone back to her desk. Okay, so she's asked for control. So she's a remote participant at this point. So she's no longer in the room. I'm actually giving her access to the presentation. So now she can actually edit the document from her desk. And then you will be able to see. So her handwriting is not going to be great because she's writing on it from her with her mouse. So as you can see, she just wrote hi right there in purple. And it's actually written back to the laptop as well. So when I save this file, it will have anything that I've done here in the room, and also anything that she has done remotely after she was given access to the presentation, just by requesting control in Teams.
So what we're going to do here is, if you're not sharing your screen from your laptop and you're just going to do something on the Flip, we want to be able to show you how you can export that.
Okay, so I'm going to take the pin out, which is going to automatically open it up. So we just had it on our company screensaver. So now I can actually write on the Flip. And if I want to change the color of the pencil that I'm working with, I can just hold it down, and then I can change the color. Okay, so, and I can continue to write, and I can continue to scroll over, and I can write some more. Sorry, my handwriting is terrible, but that's okay. Oh, if I need to erase it, I can just use my finger, and I can erase it. And let's change the color again, go back to red.
Yeah, so, but there is another one that is very similar.
Okay, so now I can see I've wrote on this, and I've wrote on 2 separate pages. Obviously, I can continue to write on multiple pages if I want. So now if I wanted to send this document over to Heather, I would just click on this little up arrow right here. I can export it, and I can email it. All right, so that's all done, and I can click send on this. And an email was sent to Heather. So when she goes back to her desk, she'll be able to see that email. And then I can just close out of that and go back to our home screen. We are going to connect our Samsung Flip display, and we're going to connect it to my laptop so that we can actually annotate on a document on the computer. So here on the back of the Flip, I have an HDMI cable plugged in, which is this cable right here. And then this USB upstream cable is plugged into the touch out port on the Samsung Flip. So I'm going to take this cord and plug it right into my USB onto my computer. And then I'm going to take the HDMI cable and plug that in as well.
Okay, so now they're both in. And in just a second, you should see my laptop screen mirror onto, and then I'm gonna import. I'm gonna work from a laptop, and I'm gonna have it connected via HDMI. And now you can see my desktop on the screen.
So hopefully this helps answer any questions that you had. If you guys need anything, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help with any questions, or if you guys want to jump on any more calls. Have a great day.